Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Bender here for another story to share with you today. Today's book is called I Am Human. And I want you to think about what that expression means. A lot of times I hear people say, well, I'm only human. So as we read this book, I want you to think what that means. And we'll talk about it more at the end. Our book, I Am Human, is a book of empathy, and the author is Susan Verde, and the art is by Peter Reynolds. And I think you'll remember Peter Reynolds from when we did Dot Day. He is the author and illustrator of the book, The Dot. I was born, a miracle, one of billions, but unique. I am human. I am always learning. I am finding my way and choosing my path on this incredible journey. I have big dreams. I see possibility. I have endless curiosity. I make discoveries. I have a feeling of wonder. I am amazed by nature. I have a playful side. I find joy in friendships. I am human. But being human means I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. I can hurt others with my words, my actions, and even my silence. I can be hurt too. I can be fearful of things I don't yet understand and timid to try something new. I have a heavy heart when I feel sadness. I am human. But then I remind myself, because I am human, I can make choices. I can move forward. A poor choice can become a better choice with thoughtfulness. A bad day can become a great day with kindness. I can act with compassion and lend a helping hand. I can treat others with equality and be fair. I can choose not to fight, but instead to listen and find common ground. I can say, I'm sorry, and ask for forgiveness. I am human, one of billions, but unique. I am not alone. I am connected to my friends, to my family, to the world. We are all humans together. And I will keep trying to be the best version of me. The end. So what does that mean to be human? It means that we can make mistakes, we can learn from them, and we can continue to grow and be better every single day. So my message today is always be your best self. Bye-bye.